Today, we are going to talk about the amazing health benefits of lemon and mint juice. This juice is not only delicious, but it's also packed with nutrients that can help improve your health in many ways. First and foremost, lemon and mint juice can help improve your immune system. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system. Mint, on the other hand, has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off infections. In addition, these two ingredients can also be used as a natural treatment for colds, flu, asthma, and bronchitis. Lemons can help boost the immune system, while the mint helps relieve congestion and coughing. Drinking lemon and mint juice when you have a cold or flu can help speed up your recovery and relieve your symptoms. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Did you know that lemon and mint juice can also help improve your memory and digestion? The scent of mint has been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. Lemon, on the other hand, helps stimulate the digestive system and can help relieve constipation. So drinking lemon and mint juice can help keep your brain and gut healthy. Lemon and mint juice is also known for its ability to help prevent certain diseases. The tangeritin in lemons has been shown to help prevent diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Mint, on the other hand, has anti-cancer properties and can help prevent certain types of cancer. So, drinking lemon and mint juice regularly can help keep you healthy and prevent these diseases. In addition to all of these benefits, lemon and mint juice can also help relieve pain. Mint has analgesic properties that can help relieve joint and muscle pain. Drinking lemon and mint juice regularly can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Now that we know all the amazing health benefits of lemon and mint juice, let's talk about how to make it. Here's what you'll need: 1 bunch of mint, 1 cup of ice, 3 lemons. To make the juice, start by squeezing the lemons and reserving the juice. Then wash the mint leaves well and separate them. Add the mint leaves, lemon juice, and ice to a blender and blend until smooth. That's it. Your refreshing and healthy lemon and mint juice is ready to drink. In conclusion, lemon and mint juice is a delicious and healthy drink that can help improve your health in many ways. So start drinking lemon and mint juice today and enjoy all of the amazing health benefits it has to offer.